I passed out from Delhi University.
I graduated from Delhi University.
I am having 5 years of experience.
I have 5 years of experience.
Discuss about the topic.
Discuss the topic, not discuss about.
He do hard work.
He works hard.
I didn't got the email.
I did not get the email. Like and follow for more.
Give me water.
Oh, Archana, could you please give me some water?
यार आकृति, I think Minnie don't like chocolate. चलो हम लोग खा लेते हैं.
Oh, Archana, she doesn't like chocolate.
See Akriti, leaves are falling down.
It's not fallen down, it's fallen.
See, I planted a flower pot.
Oh, Archana, it is I planted flowers in a pot. What are you doing, Archana?
I am giving water to plant.
It's not giving water to plant. It's I am watering the plant.
Don't cut the leaf.
Oh, Archana, it is not cut the leaf. It is don't tear the leaf. Oh, Archana, what are you doing?
I love smelling the flowers.
Archana, it's not smelling. I love fragrance of the flower.
Please close the switch.
अरे अर्चना स्विच को नहीं क्लोज करते हैं. प्लीज स्विच ऑफ द फैन.
Please off the fan.
टर्न ऑफ द फैन अर्चना.
Open the AC.
टर्न ऑन द एसी.
Off the TV.
स्विच ऑफ द टीवी.
Please open the light.
Please turn off the light. Oh Archana, it's smelling too good. What is this?
I'm putting the perfume.
Oh Archana, it's not putting the perfume. You are spraying the perfume.
Oh.
Yes. Archana, what are you doing?
I'm putting the lipstick.
Oh Archana, it's not putting the lipstick. It is I'm applying the lipstick. Now what?
I'm coloring my eyebrows.
Oh Archana, it is I'm filling my brows. What's this?
I'm painting my lashes.
Oh Archana, it's I'm coating my lashes with mascara. Oh wow, what's this?
I'm putting blush on my cheeks.
Oh, it's applying the blush on the cheeks, not putting.
So बोलना.
Wrong pronunciation versus correct pronunciation.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Comfortable.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pizza. Pizza.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Resume.
Resume. It's resume.
Breakfast.
It's breakfast. Breakfast.
Receipt.
It's receipt, Archana. Receipt.
Coupon.
It's not coupon. It's coupon. Coupon.
Debt.
No, it's debt. Debt.
Bowl.
No, it's bowl. Bowl.
Like and share for more.